Well, you know, in my community, people had not thought about noise pollution. And so I wanted to show them that they had a voice. And the dominant culture were the polluters, and we were the ones that took all the toxins and were affected the most, the underserved community. So, and even the environmental community, they were having problems with, oh, we know noise, we know environmental pollutions, but we never thought about noise pollution. It was air that we're concentrating on. So when I talked to different people, air went along with noise. So I combined noise pollution and air pollution together as a talking point, and climate change, and I brought that all in. And so I got a big audience because people were interested in environmental justice. And when I went to the Citizen Science Conference, it really solidified that all this could be brought together because it was pollutants. So those are my talking points: environmental justice along with air pollution and sound pollution. And people agreed they go hand in hand.